Welcome one and all to the LaForgia Laboratory. This is the nerdiest video that I feel like I've ever made in my entire video making career. So we put on the nerd glasses, and I am really excited to show you guys the birthday present that I got myself. Not this C-Chord. I admittedly have gotten too used to using the voice to text on my phone, and I haven't made it good. I haven't spent time to like customize it and make sure that there's grammar in it, like commas and periods and question marks, and so my messages seem to get a little confusing when I'm going too fast. So I wanted to get a proper keyboard, even though I know how to type. I just wanted something that was comfortable. And so we're about to open the Keychron. This is my first Keychron mechanical keyboard. So let's do it. Safety first. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's exactly what I wanted. So this is the Keychron C1. What has light effects? Okay, light effects. It's gonna be fun. Alright. Where's Randy when you need? Oh, hey, Mo. Hey, y'all. It's Randy here. Another episode of Randy's Redneck Prepared. I'm just kidding. I'm just not invited to anything I can do in the future. What is problem like this? Alright. Here we go. Oh, it does have a cord. Comes with instructions. Light. Light too. I think I can take these places. Stay here. No, you can. It's nice, huh? So what these are for, mainly, is I'm gonna probably butcher this explanation, but the keys sound good. I think it's supposed to sound better, but you can oil them, you can take the individual keys off, and you can make key sets. There are thousands and thousands of different ones. Apparently it's a really hot market. The cool ones are always sold out, and everybody wants them to. They give me extra. And it comes with this cable, which is what I wanted. I wanted it to be hard lines. And this is the tool that you take the keys off with, from what I'm told. Look, it's beautiful.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax.